Hey, this is Woodchuck. I've got a 1996 Dodge Cummins with the NV4500 trans, and the truck currently has 262,000 miles on it. I would say about the last 60,000 has been exclusively hauling. I rarely take this truck out without a gooseneck hooked on it. And here a few weeks ago, the transmission started making a knocking noise. It knocks in all the gears except for fourth. And I think it's going to be a bearing from what research I've done so far. But I want to take a minute and shoot a video of the noise it's making. It might possibly help someone else out. And my plans are to pull the transmission and tear into it and see what the noise is coming from. So I'm going to do a quick test drive and shift it through the gears and let you hear the noise. About to shift into fourth gear, the noise goes away, and it comes back in fifth gear. Of course, I'm not traveling very fast, so I won't be able to hear it very well in fifth gear. I'm going to start off again, run through the gears. We're in second gear. Third gear, fourth gear, get into fifth gear here just for a second. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the trans out and see what we got going on inside this thing. Here she is before I start working on her. I just got the transmission pressure washed and cleaned up a little bit so I can get underneath it and maybe not get completely filthy. You can kind of hear the knocking noise. It is coming from the transmission though, because I've heard the noise go away when you're driving in fourth gear. The noise completely goes away. So I'm gonna get it backed up and jacked up and ready to tear apart.